If there is more than one person that's taking care of steering and maneuvering of the ship, this typically means that you have a duty officer or the captain, and you have a helmsman and or an engineer in as well. It is extremely important that they communicate well. Good bridge resource management. And many incidents have been caused by misunderstandings between the captain navigator and the helmsman. In such cases, we should always use closed loop communication, which means that all orders should be repeated so that you are sure that the order is understood correctly. You should always require the helmsman to repeat any orders that you give him or her. A course order means that the duty officer gives the helmsman a course to steer, and the helmsman or woman will then use the rudder as he or she sees fit to keep the ship on the ordered course. Whereas a rudder order means that the duty officer orders the helmsman to keep the rudder at a certain angle. You, as a mate, you need to be familiar with both these types of orders and also how to change from one to the other. And we're going to have a look at some examples. And first, we're looking at the course order where we are changing course from 240. So the captain says 250. Helmsman repeats 250. Then the helmsman adjusts the course until it is at 250, and he will then say course is 250. Captain will reply, that's good. 260. 260, the helmsman repeat and then changes course until we're at 260, where he can say course is 260 and the captain will repeat, that's good. Brilliant. So those were course orders. Rudder orders. We start out, the captain says starboard 10, and this means that the helmsman should put the wheel over to starboard 10. The helmsman immediately replies starboard 10, then he turns the rudder over until it's at starboard 10 degrees. Rudder at starboard 10, that's good. The captain replies. Midships, which means that you should put the rudder midships. Then the helmsman repeats midships, turns the rudder until it is midships, and replies rudder midships. That's good. Steady from the captain, which means keep the course you're at now. Then the helmsman repeats steady at 045 degrees. Steadies the course at 045 degrees and replies then course is 045 degrees. So this is how you go from a rudder order to a course order using the steady order.